What's up, guys? Christian Brennyn Comedy here, but Brennyn's not here again. But don't matter. I'm here. I got a new unboxing. These are the
Lebron 7s Elites.
LeBron 7s Elites. LeBron 7s Elites. LeBron 7s Elites.
LeBron 7s Elites. As you can see, very nice shoe. I don't know what I to say about these shoes. Nothing really much to say.
But yeah, let's just get into this. This is whack shoe. A good shoe game, fire.
They do actually, batteries are included for these shoes too.
I don't
know what to say about this shoe. It's a beautiful shoe. It's gonna catch on fire probably. Really nice shoe. Really nice shoe. Don't know if you can see that. So there's one. I'll set that one to the side real quick. Let's get one out. As you can see, these are the Nike Air in the bottom. These don't come with any other pairs of LeBrons. So check this out. It's very durable. Can't get these anywhere else. Like you gotta treat these with good care because like they're very rare shoes. Very rare shoes. Don't really know what to tell you now. I guess we'll get to the on foot. Okay, what's up, guys? So this is the on foot of LeBron 7.5 Elites. Not much to say about the shoe. I really like it. It's a really nice shoe. Really nice shoe. So yeah, you really do a lot with this shoe. You can wear it to baseball, wear it to golf, tennis, lots of things. So I don't really know much to tell you about the shoe. So yeah, guess I'll see you guys in the next video. WD-40, I can't drink this.